Good morning, preschoolers. This is Miss Galfo today. I hope everyone is well. I miss all of you. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. What do you think we're learning about today? Bunnies! Who's excited to learn about bunnies? Me too. I couldn't wait. What's your favorite bunny on the screen? I like that one too. My favorite bunny is this one right here in the middle with the long floppy ears. Don't they look so soft and cuddly? I love bunnies. We'll talk about them more in a second. But for now, we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So can you please stand up? Put your right hand over that heartbeat that Mrs. Ganley said to do. And if you don't have a flag at home, take a look at the flag on our screen and say it with me. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for being respectful to our country. Here's our good morning song. This is where you can pause the video and go to the PDF version of the morning meeting and you can play, or you can just search morning songs for preschoolers on YouTube and you'll find a couple good ones. Here is our weekly focus wall that everyone has been doing such a great job with, learning all the new things. Who remembers what colors these are called? It has a funny sounding name. Are they bright colors? No, they're softer colors. They're called pastels. Great job. And what's our shape for this week? It's a rectangle, right? Oh my goodness, silly Miss Galfo, you're right. It's an oval, a stretched out circle, shaped like an egg. Perfect for April. What letter are we learning about? Letter G. I have a G in my name for Galfo. Can you point to the uppercase G? Good job. Trace it with your finger. G. Whoops. Trace it with your finger. G. Excellent. Point to the lowercase g. Trace it with your finger. G. Excellent. Can you make the sign for letter G? Practice. Copy this model. Excellent. And here are the themes for this week. Our artist of the month is, who remembers the name? Yes, Georgia O'Keeffe. I loved seeing everyone's inspired art by Georgia O'Keeffe. Keep it up, preschool. And yesterday you talked about April because yesterday was April 1st. We talked about that with Mrs. M. And today we're talking about bunnies. Here's our calendar. I put the bunny on April 2nd since that's what we're learning about. And yesterday you talked about April Fool's Day. We hope you liked the jokes. Coming up, we have spring break. That's what this says down here. No school. Happy spring break. And our sign of the day is rabbit, also known as bunny. So you put your two hands up by your head like you have two bunny ears. Practice. Put your two fingers up and down like you have bunny ears. Good job, my little bunnies. Can you hop like a bunny? Stand up and hop, hop, hop. Excellent. I wish I could see you hop like a bunny. Here's a bunny. There are different parts of a bunny. I'm going to say the part of a bunny, and can you point to that part? Where are the bunny's ears? Good job, right here. How many ears does a bunny have? 2. They're long, sometimes they're floppy, sometimes they stand in the air. All right, get ready for the next one. Where are the eyes on the bunny? Excellent, right here. How many eyes does a bunny have? 2. How many eyes do you have? 2. Funny. Can you point to the tail on the bunny? Good job. A bunny's tail reminds me of a cotton ball sometimes. Soft. Where's the bunny's nose? Can you wiggle your nose like a bunny? Good job. And last but not least, where are the bunny's legs? Good job. How many legs does a bunny have? 4. Can you hold up 4 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does a bunny have legs? Yes, to help it move around and to run and hop. Thank you so much. You did a great job on this slide. Wow. Look at all these bunnies. Does anyone recognize any of them? Who knows this bunny right here? What's his name? That's right, his name is Bugs Bunny. He's from a cartoon. He sure likes eating what? Carrots. Orange, crunchy carrots. Do you know who this is? This bunny is from a movie. Have you seen the movie? I think it's called Peter Rabbit, right? Peter Rabbit. It's a funny movie. I think there's actually a second one coming out too. Who knows what this bunny's from? Yes, that bunny is from Bambi. What's the bunny's name? Thumper. Why is his name Thumper? Because he likes to thump his foot on the ground. Can you pretend to be like Thumper and thump your foot on the ground? Excellent. Who knows what bunny this is? What is he from? Yes, that bunny is from Winnie the Pooh. This bunny's name is Rabbit, and he's one of Winnie the Pooh's friends. How about this pink bunny down here? Does anyone recognize this one? He is the Energizer Bunny. He is the face or the mascot for the battery Energizer. You might put batteries in your TV changer or remote so that it's powered to change the channel on the TV. So that's the Energizer Bunny. What's he wearing on his face? Sunglasses, right? There's a G in glasses. And last but not least, this bunny over here. Does anyone know him? This is called Trix cereal. Have you ever eaten it before? It's very sweet. Yummy. This is the Trix rabbit, and he always wants to steal Trix cereal, but he never gets it. These are all the famous rabbits that you might know. All right, boys and girls, I need your help on this slide. How many bunnies do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, is that a bunny? No, what is that? It's a dog with bunny ears on. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. Do you see any other animals trying to trick us? Yes, down here it's a cat. A cat has rabbit ears on. 2 long rabbit ears. That silly dog and cat, they tried to trick us. So we know that there's one dog and one cat. How many bunnies are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bunnies. You didn't trick us, dog and cat. Will you play a game with me? All right, so this poor little bunny down here lost his basket of eggs. He's saying, "Where is my basket of eggs?" He lost it. Should we try to help him find the basket of eggs? Yeah, I think so too. All right, let's see. Is the basket of eggs in front of the tall grass? Point to the tall grass on your screen. Good. Green tall grass. Do you see a basket of eggs in front of the tall grass? No. What's there? One orange crunchy carrot. No basket of eggs there. Let's try the next one. Is the basket under the bridge? Okay, point to the bridge. Do you see a basket of eggs under the bridge? So under's here. Do you see it under? No. What is that? A fish. A fish was swimming. Is that a basket of eggs? No. We have one more place. Do you think the basket of eggs is there? Let's find out. Is the basket behind the doghouse? Point to the doghouse. Okay, boys and girls, look behind the doghouse. What do you see? A basket of eggs! Woo! We found them. Say, "Here you go, bunny. We found your eggs." Thank you, boys and girls. The bunny is so happy. He found his eggs behind the doghouse. And one of the last things we're going to talk about is our letter of the week. We know that letter G has a hard G sound and a soft G sound. Say the pictures with me. Ready? This is a ghost. Boo. What is this? What do you put on mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving? Gravy. And who knows this character? Yes, that's Gaston from Beauty and the Beast. Okay, let's go down here to our soft G sound. Who's this? The genie. Ooh, what are these called? That's a gem. All different colored gems. And what is this boy doing? He's at the gym. Just like when we are at school, we go to gym class with Mr. D. We'll have to tell him that we talked about him on our morning meeting. He'll be happy to hear that. Can you say, "Hello, Mr. D"? Good job. So that's our letter G. And here I recorded myself reading you a book about bunnies. So you can pause this and come back to it later. And there's questions that your family can ask you on the side right here. I'll go through them with you. It says, what animals did you see in the book? What do bunnies like to eat? What color nose does a bunny have? And can you hop like a bunny? And here are some videos that you can watch about bunnies. I hope you had such a great time during our morning meeting today. I miss all of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you soon.